to our video, where we're about to dive into a mouth-watering and keto-friendly culinary adventure. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most incredible Keto BBQ Pulled Chicken. Let's cook. Wait! Before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 2 lbs boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, 1 cup sugar-free BBQ sauce and ½ cup chopped chicken broth, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and ½ teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, coleslaw made from keto-friendly ingredients or serving. Option op: prepare the chicken. Place the boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs in your slow cooker or crockpot. Mix the sauce. In a bowl, combine the sugar-free BBQ sauce, chicken broth, minced garlic, smoked paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Mix well to create the BBQ sauce. Pour the sauce over chicken. Pour the BBQ sauce mixture over the chicken in the slow cooker. Cook the chicken. Cover the slow cooker and cook on low for 6-7 hours or on high for 3-4 hours. The chicken is ready when it shreds easily with a fork. Shred the chicken. Once the chicken is fully cooked, shred it using 2 forks right in the slow cooker. The chicken will absorb the flavorful BBQ sauce. Serve the Keto BBQ Pulled Chicken hot. You can enjoy it on its own or in lettuce wraps. If desired, top with coleslaw made from keto-friendly ingredients for added crunch and flavor. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.